Hello and welcome to another Blender tutorial brought to you by the Luwizart. My name is Emmanuel Okafo and today we'll be looking at something really fun. I'm pretty sure if you have online presence, you will notice that people have been posting a lot of cool animation with the new pressure system in Blender. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set that up in case you don't know it. So this is going to be a very quick tutorial. Before we continue, for you to follow along with this tutorial, you should have the latest Blender build, which is Blender 2.82. So if I'm correct, that's where you can actually see this feature. So as you can see here in the scene, this is what we'll be trying to recreate. Okay, so let's start from a new fresh scene. Let me turn on my new screencast key. Okay, so you can just follow along with this. First of all, let's add our ground plane. So apply the rotation and origin to geometry. In the physics tab, we want to select collision so that when we add the clothes, it will not pass through. It will not fall down to infinities. Okay, now we add our UV sphere. So this will add as our ball. Okay, so still in our physics tab, we can just add the cloth. We don't need to play with many settings here. For the mass, I can just set it to like 8. This is just, I want the ball to compress. That's the effect I'm trying to get. I want it to be compressed, then I can inflate it. Okay, so 8 kg is good. So if we play the animation, you can see it crumbles up. So let me bring up my timeline and make sure your playback is set to no sync. If not, you will not get real time playback when using when you're trying to simulate. Okay, next let's go to collision, because as you notice, there's so many intersections with this geometry and we definitely don't want that. So to fix that, we need to enable self collision. So for this self collision, what I'm going to play with is the distance. Let's try the default one first. So right off the back is doing a good job, so I like how it's looking for now. Okay, so for the man of the hour, which is the new pressure panel, all you need to do is enable it. But nothing is gonna happen. Something's gonna happen, but you will not really see the effect. What you want to do then is just play with this pressure factor. So if you can, and the fun thing, you can animate this. So let's try to animate this. So at this point it's 0. If you click on this dot here, you can add keyframe, and here we can set it to 15 and we add another keyframe. So now this is what we get. So over time is going to inflate. Whoop! That's 15 is a lot, so let's say 7. So yeah, so that's basically the pressure, the new pressure feature. So also it has some more parameters which you could play with. One you should bear in mind is the vertex group. So this basically means you can isolate the area you want the effect to happen affect. So if I select this place, I can add a new vertex group and assign it, and we can then input it here. And if we run the simulation again, you will see it just affects that part. Ooh, sticking off. So anyway, you get the gist. Yeah, so that's the pressure, the new pressure feature in Blender. Should play around with it. In case you post anything related to it that you want to show me, you can. I have an Instagram which is Emmanuel Lewis. You can follow me there. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Bye bye for now. See you next time.